My name is Peggy Pike. I am the Silviculture Supervisor at Mercer Peace River. I am responsible for ensuring that all areas cut by the company are successfully reforested and reported to the government. My job is easy when areas to be cut are planned properly and are harvested according to our ground rules or procedures. The hardest part of my job is keeping track of all the data and submitting the reports to the government. Favorite part of my job is interacting with people out in the field. If you are considering a career in forestry, I think you need to be passionate about the environment and enjoy what you are doing. The video we are making of Arianna is a short preview of what you would be doing as a summer student for Mercer.
This is my office where I start my mornings. I have to sign in on the computer, and then I usually go to the 3D workstations.
So I'm at the 3D station in Mercer's office, and Arianna is here doing some cutover updates. So Arianna, you're wearing, it looks like sunglasses, but are they really sunglasses? What do you got on there?
These are 3D glasses that look at this and allow me to see this screen in 3D.
So she can actually see the height of the trees when she looks through those glasses. And this is a job that has to be done annually. Every year after we've finished our cutting for the year, we fly photography, and then somebody has to update the cutovers.
So the Woodlands building is separate from the pulp mill, but it does have a way nicer view. So the trucks come in by us and leave by the Woodlands building. They go through to scales before they drop off their wood. So I'm just restocking the new truck that I'm going to be driving. Also added my hard hat, my safety vest, spill kit, cruise vest, so that has all kinds of spots to hold your gear. These are some snails. This is our sign and equipment warehouse where I spend a few days most summers. We keep sign holders, signs. This is where we keep Peggy. Just kidding. Ribbons, all kinds of tree paint, and all the signs have to get sorted, and they all have to be marked with blue spray paint and a Mercer sticker. And this year I actually made up a big sign inventory. When you watch this video and think, I would like to do what she is doing, then I think a career in forestry might be a good choice for you.